The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Our planet is slowly coming to an end. Many reports of an unknown planet hovering around the galaxy. This planet has been identified as Nibiru. It is believed that Nibiru will collide with Earth within the next 30 minutes. There's nothing we can do to stop this situation. Gather with your family members and prepare for the end. The national anthem will play for the final time. God bless America.